Hey everybody. Well, it's me, your girl. I am so proud. I just wanted to share a small little clipping of me making sure I have no choice but to drink my shake. So, this is my first time doing this, so hopefully it goes well. So let's see. Yes, I'm outside at lunch on my lunch break. And I'm making my shakeology with my new blender that has no cords. This is absolutely cord free, chargeable. Pretty day out here. And I did mix fruit in my shake because I have the plain vanilla. Great, awesome. So all I have to do, let me see how it's gonna come out. Perfecto. Take this off, and I should have like another little top that goes onto it, like so. And voila, there you go. Time for me to get my lunchtime in and enjoy a movie for the next 40 minutes. Well, really 30 minutes. So I'll talk to you later.